La passione fu mai conquistata da nessuno, occupava i polacchi dopo l'arrivato del Cristo. Quindi i soldati polacchi che avevano un grandissimo errore nel combattere i tedeschi fu una sorta di smacco in non conquistare la passione combattente, ma semplicemente occuparla dopo la ritirata tedesca.
For days, the Allied troops continued to clean up the ruins of the city. Some paratroopers refused to surrender. They are the so-called crazy helpers, who disobeyed orders to retreat in order to fight to the death. But this young Fallschirmjäger, now with long hair, decides to surrender. Rome at last. June the 4th, 1944, the 5th US Army liberates the capital from Nazi occupation, and General Clark enters the Eternal City in triumph. To achieve this dream, he has not cut off the retreat of the German armies as expected. A photo shows him sitting, looking at Rome from a windowsill.